Vlogmas. Today is the day I want to give you guys a quick tour of my house so I can show you guys all of my Christmas decoration ideas and how they came to fruition. Y'all listen, normally when I do these videos, they're like super edited, super formal. I'm dressed up and I'm cutting and editing and walking you guys through, and I'm like, this year we're just gonna do a vlog. How about that? We're gonna walk through the house almost like if you were over visiting and we were just kind of walking through the house. That's kind of the vibe I want it to be. I want it to be super casual. So we have on our matching family pajamas. We got on our antlers. Anthony didn't want antlers, he wanted a baseball cap. I say, go ahead, brother. And even Sansa has on hers if she can keep them on for any amount of time. I'm proud of you, Sansa. I'm proud of you, girl. Look, she's like, thank you, girl.
Okay, my bad. I am and big sister. Stop. Put them. You put these on. And
say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
She's like, that's good enough. Aww. It just took me about 20 minutes to light all the candles in this joint, y'all. Like, there are so many candles going on, but it smells amazing in here. So let's get this tour started. Camera guy, are you ready?
We're ready.
Ann, are you ready to wreak havoc?
Say we're ready. Give 5.
Yay. Mommy gets a 5 too. Yay. We'll start over here with the bar because there's nothing here, y'all. I need to go to the store. We're actually gonna go this evening. But yeah, this is what the bar looks like, y'all. I decided to decorate this a little bit with some loose garland that I had, and then I just added some ornaments. Y'all, I love these little bottle dressings. Like, this is so cute to really dress up a bar. Look, this one is an ugly sweater. Like, how cute is that? And then also with this, just loose garland with some ornaments tossed up there, and just so simple, y'all. I have some command hooks up there, and then that's all you need. And then this area over here is giving lots of Pottery Barn. You guys know when you go in there in the Christmas season, they always have these lanterns. So I got a couple of those. I put real candles in there because nothing beats real candles. But this lit tree, this pre-lit tree, y'all, it's messing up. Like, a lot of the lights are out. I need to replace them with regular string lights. I'm so sick of this tree, but we went ahead and just went with it. So I got my Nutcracker guy up right here, y'all, because I always bring him out. I love this thing. This is my favorite decor item. And this was something we got from Home Goods about 3 or 4 years ago. And then I also love my little giant teddy bear. I think that's so much fun if you have kids. Ann loves it too. Isn't that right, sweet girl? You love Dottie? Give Dottie a kiss.
Kiss.
No. Oh, Mommy loves you. Are you sleepy? She's just gonna stare at my lipstick. You like it? You like my lipstick? Oh. She likes looking at my side profile. And you're so unique. She likes to see like the side. Anyway, y'all, okay, so this blanket, girl, I don't know where I got it, but I love it, okay? And my favorite part is the bottom. Isn't that so cute? Anyway, draping blankets over couches and chairs is the perfect way to get the holiday vibes when it comes to your decorating. Bring in lots of pillows, things to make people comfortable, and of course, have your candles everywhere. Candles, candles, and more candles. That's what's really gonna set the tone. And so we turned the fireplace on, of course, because you have to have fire flickering. I don't know, maybe I might have too many candles. I don't know, but I love it. I decorated the mantle like I always do, y'all. I do this every year. I did buy new stockings though. These were from Target. Remember when I told y'all about those gold twigs that I got from Jewel that time? So I went ahead and put them in these vases, and then I added these stick ornaments. Remember these? And I like the way it looks, y'all. It's giving staged holiday scene like you would see in a mall or department store. And that's been the inspiration for my home decorating almost every year. I love making it look like it's in a catalog, right? So that's pretty much all we did in the family room. Not too much different from last year. Let's go ahead and walk through the living room so I can show y'all the foyer. Come on, Ann.
Come on, Annie.
So in here, pretty much the same, y'all. In fact, I did even less decorating than I normally do. So I have my little fake candle centerpiece here, and then I have my tea lights underneath, because no one's ever really in here. And I wasn't even supposed to be decorating in here this year because I was expecting this space to be empty because I was supposed to be getting rid of all this furniture. But I decided at the last minute to just leave it. So that way if we have guests over, it won't be just an empty room. I'm like, people don't care if your furniture is not cute. They just want to have a seat to sit on, right? So I went ahead and left it. And we'll be getting rid of this stuff as soon as the holidays are over. You guys may notice my little mini trees that I have. Y'all, these are basically outdoor decorations that are just inside. I only put these up so you can see them from outside. I'm not decorating these. Like, yeah, I'm not decorating them. I think they look fine. I just put these bows and left it like that. But it looks so cute from the outside. That's the thing. Okay, now the foyer, and then we'll swing around to the dining room, okay? So, y'all, I did something so different this year than what I normally do. I had to climb, I had to jump, I had to leap out of my comfort zone, y'all. Normally I do it real simple in here, but you know what? I went whimsical. I went slightly whimsical. So these decorations this year are inspired by wanting my daughter to have a fun Christmas, because I feel like this year she deserved to really get into it and enjoy it, since she seems to be a little bit more aware of what Christmas is. So I definitely wanted to go with the more like elfing around, kind of gingerbready, kind of whimsical vibes for this year. I thought I was done with like the banister garland after last year. Someone gave me a fresh new take on how to decorate this, and it was my girl Minnie Marley. Gotta give her a shout out. She did an Instagram reel showing how she decorated her garland, and y'all, it was dope, and I'm like, I gotta try it. I decided to go with a bunch of ornaments and ribbon to really fill it in and make it fun. And y'all, here's something cool that I did. These kind of green ornament embellishments was actually a long piece of garland that I got from At Home. And I basically just sliced it up into about 13 pieces, and I was able to attach them individually. So to me, it looks so much better to have them spread about than to have like that one long piece of garland. You know what I'm saying? So you really gotta get creative with this stuff. My favorite ornaments on here would probably be the little gingerbread men and the ornaments that look like bubbles. They look clear and iridescent. So those are probably my favorites. So let's take a look at the tree, my whimsical elfing around tree. I love it so much, you guys. This year I decided to go with stuffed figures and use them as ornaments. With a tree this large, you guys, I definitely would recommend going with very large embellishments, right? Because that's the only thing that's gonna be the right scale to make sense. So definitely this year I went with everything jumbo. I went with larger ornaments, I went with large figurines, and girl, these were some of the figurines that I've had for a long time, and then I ended up buying some new ones just to add to it. And come here, you wanna see the tree? Come here. I have an actual elf in the tree, and I love it so much. I got that thing from Walmart. You like the elf, Ann? You like the elf? You like it? Let me kiss you. Sansa, come on, girl. Do y'all remember these? Remember these when I got these? So I decided to put them up here in the foyer. So I really love the tree this time, y'all. Let me know what you think. It's so fun and absolutely adores it. I'm in love with it. All right, the dining room, my favorite place. This is my favorite place to decorate for the holiday because it really can become like whatever you want it to be. And it's just something about cooking and hosting that makes me so happy. So the dining room is my favorite part. I basically used everything that I already had from previous years and I just remixed it. So I love what we did in here. I also wanted to show you guys kind of what I did with the buffet, because I usually do something different every year with the buffet depending on how I feel. So for this guy here, I just put a bunch of festive plant material in here right in front of my eucalyptus. So I didn't completely get rid of the eucalyptus, I just added to it to make it more festive. And then you guys will notice a little bit of a reindeer theme. So I did find these little antler at home, and I thought those were really fun in there. You might notice we have a little bit of a reindeer theme going on, and I make no apologies for that. I got this figurine from At Home, and I absolutely love it, y'all. It's so elegant looking, right? And they really were able to capture the gracefulness of the reindeer, and I love how simple it looks. So if you're doing like a minimalist decor theme for your Christmas decorations, something like this would be perfect. All right, here we are in the kitchen. So for the kitchen table, I wanted to do the plate settings and things. So this is a little different from what you saw in the dining room. Well, basically I started with a base, these red chargers that have this cute satin effect, which I love. I got those from At Home. They were really cheap. I think I got the 4 of them for like $12. And I just added on top in layers, dishes and things that I already had. When it comes to beautiful plate settings, it's about layers, layers, and then layers some more, okay? Get you some nice napkins, even if they come from Amazon or whatever, who's gonna know? And layer your plates with the napkins. Get creative, get some texture going, get some pattern going, and I think you'll really love the outcome, and you do not have to spend a lot of money. Okay, really quick, let me show you guys what I did do in the kitchen. Y'all, I love this so much. Okay, so I did put some effort into decorating my coffee nook because this is where I'm at every morning, and I just wanted to get the Christmas feels every time I'm over here making a warm beverage, okay? So I had set up this little scene right here with the little hot cocoa because I wanted to give you guys some ideas of how you can approach this space with staging it and making it really fun and inspiring and festive and really getting y'all into the holiday spirit. I'm so excited about these little peppermint spoons, y'all. These came from the Dollar Tree. And then I thought this was a great idea to really show off your holiday mugs, because a lot of times you'll buy these mugs and they'll just be in the cabinet. This is a great way to put them out, an excuse to show them off. Okay, let's go upstairs. Come on, Salsa. Come on, Salsa. Y'all, I love these. Isn't this so cute? This really gives elfing around. This is so fun. By the way, Ann and Sansa do not bother the ornaments. They're playing around with it today because we're talking about it and stuff, but they have not bothered it. I'm so happy. Come on, let's go. You see Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Say hi. You just want lipstick on. I'm not putting no lipstick on you. Okay, so let me show y'all how the hallway turned out. I think it's so cute, you guys. You know, y'all saw me put this together. Wanna go in your playroom? Okay, Ann's going to her playroom. Let me show y'all her bedroom. All right, this was all DIY. Let me show you. Went to the Dollar Tree and found ornaments galore, found some mesh ribbon, these cute abstract Christmas trees. I already had like an empty wreath, right? One that you're supposed to DIY decorate. So that's kind of my base. And I'm just taking the ribbon and tying it to the branches and then fluffing it out to make it look like bows. Had to use quite a bit of the ribbon because it's the Dollar Tree, so each roll was like 24 inches of ribbon, which ain't a lot. Once I did that, I went ahead and added the ornaments very strategically, spreading them out. It's a mixture of rose gold and metallic glittery gold. Such a cute combo, you guys. I added that Merry Christmas sign to the middle, which was also from the Dollar Tree, and we are done. Isn't this so pretty? I wanted it to match with Anne's colorful room, and I also got her this cute little pillow. They were basically pillow covers from Amazon, which also blended with the theme of her color palette while also being very like festive. So I feel like this is so cute and Anne really loves it. So this is just an idea for decorating a colorful space without compromising the look but still being festive. Okay, let me show y'all our bedroom, okay? Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me. So y'all know the wreaths that I put on the door. I do this every year. So come on in. The room is pretty much the same how I always do it. This candle holder I actually got from JCPenney this season. Y'all, JCPenney has some really, really good stuff. Also got this reindeer figurine from there as well. My favorite part is the glitter and sequins and the little fur around the collar. I love that so much. Okay, the pillow arrangement, all this stuff is kind of what I usually do. Only thing different is I added these stockings to the headboard. And then I added the cute little reindeer head. You guys remember the reindeer head? The other thing I did different, y'all, is that I added lights to the garland on the headboard. And y'all, look, I got this tray from at home. This is so perfect for bringing treats and stuff up here. Now I know this looks like super fake and staged, but you can ask Anthony. I be doing stuff like this, don't I, baby? Because I be like, I want the holiday feels. Like I want to feel like I'm in a holiday movie. So I be definitely doing stuff like this. And we got these delicious madeleines, y'all. These are so good. We only have 5 left. It was like 20 in there. And I got us some actual apple ciders. These are the spiked ones. But we're not ready to drink them yet because we got to top them with some whipped cream. So I'll wait and do the whipped cream when we go downstairs. Okay, but anyway, my tree, our romantic enchanted forest theme for the bedroom, y'all. I really love how it came out this year. I added some new ornaments. So these big ones here, you guys saw me show you guys those in the haul video that we did. And then I went ahead and added some pampas grass, y'all. This is something new that I tried. I saw a couple people do this on, where did I see that? I think I saw it. Maybe I dreamed it. I don't know, but I had some pampas grass left over. This is the fake stuff, by the way, because I can't have the real stuff in. We'll destroy it. So I'm like, I could just use that in our tree upstairs. So I feel like it looks really cute. Let me know what y'all think about it. I kind of wasn't sure how I felt about it at first, But the more I look at it, I'm like, it's kind of fun because it's kind of like a burst at the top. So I don't know, let me know what y'all think. And then I have this other cute ornament here, y'all. It's like a little beer mug. My friend got me this. And then you'll just notice all around the room little touches here and there of Christmassy stuff. I also put some stuff in the bathroom, and let me show y'all. I only really did this because I had leftover stuff and I was like, oh, I'll just throw it up in here. I put some garland across the window and I threw a wreath up there. That's the wreath that usually goes in Anne's room. And then I put some little touches here and there on the shelves. I also added these towels, these hand towels. Super simple to do, y'all. I think this was like $5, this set of 2. And I just threw them on top of the bath towels here. So now we're going to head on down. Okay, so yeah, we're going to add our whipped topping to this. It's gonna be so good. Baby, you look so... The Cabana Boy, you look...
Christmas Cabana Boy.
Oh my God, I was just about to say you look like a... You look sexy as a little server man. But tell me again, what are you?
I'm the Christmas Cabana Boy.
Oh God, you do look cute with the little server vibes. Okay, Sansa, watch out! Don't trip him. Don't trip him.
That's my bodyguard. You see, she waits when I have the door.
Y'all, the cool thing about those lanterns, those ones that have the battery operated candles, is that I have a timer on them. So those will turn off. They'll turn on when it gets dark and they'll turn off after a few hours. So I love that. All we need is a little Ready Whip, and I got some what do you call it? Cinnamon sugar sprinkles. Gonna be so good. But before we get into the drinks and stuff, y'all, let me know what y'all thought of the house decorations, right? Was it inspiring? Did you get some ideas? Do you hate it? Let me know what y'all think of everything. But what I will say, if this holds any weight, is that I am truly enjoying my house this year. Like, when I do the decorations like this, it helps me get into Christmas more, and I definitely enjoy sharing it with you guys. But it's really about us, you know, having the house be really festive like this. Y'all, like, this helps me. Like, this puts me in such a good mood, like, every day when I wake up. So that's why I feel like I kind of focused on very specific areas to decorate, because those are the areas that I need the inspiration, you know? Okay, here's how I'm gonna do it, you guys. I went ahead and warmed these up. So you see the little smoke coming off of them. They're very, very warm. These are 1 part Fireball whiskey and 1 part apple cider, the really delicious spiced apple cider kind. So that's what you see here. I'm just stirring it just to make sure it's all blended. And then right on top, I'm gonna put some Ready Whip, because that's what's gonna really do it. You gotta do it in layers. That first layer is gonna break down a little bit because it's hot. Then you do that second layer to make it cute. You feel me? Okay, and then you need 1 more thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I had to go to the bar so I could grab this. This came with a Ghirardelli chocolate hot cocoa set or whatever. So it's just a cinnamon sugar topper. So they're little sprinkles, and you're just gonna put those right on top. This is the perfect garnish for this, by the way. Y'all, look at that, yummy. That is so yummy. That is so delicious. And let me just tell you, these go so good dipped in that liquid. I'm telling you that right now. Gonna go ahead and have a sip. And by the way, y'all, these glasses are from the Dollar Tree, okay? I love having the appropriate glass for the beverage, right? You can put like sundaes in this, all types of stuff. So yeah, these are from the Dollar Tree, and then the straws are paper straws, and I think I got those off Amazon. Delicious, y'all. Okay, so Anthony has taken off his pajamas and he's about to go. And Anne is having playtime up here.
Leaning back in. What's going on? Huh?
Okay, Anne. Hey, Annie Berg. She's in here playing. A little bit of dress up and everything. And you guys say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all. Good night. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.